We love the Lord. Blessed are they that keep his testimonies and seek him with the whole heart. They also do no iniquity, they walk in his ways. You have commanded us to keep your precepts diligently. Oh, that my ways were directed to keep your statutes, then I would not be ashamed when I respect unto all your commandments. I will praise you with uprightness of heart. When I shall have learned all your righteous judgments, I will keep your statutes. Oh, forsake me not utterly. How can a man cleanse his way? By taking heed according to your word. With the whole heart I have sought you. O let me not wander from your commandments. Your word I have hidden in my heart, that I might not sin against you. Blessed are you, O Lord, teach me your statutes. With my lips I have declared all the judgments of your mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of your testimonies, as much as in all riches. I will meditate on your precepts and contemplate your ways. I will direct myself in your statutes. I will not forget your word. Deal bountifully with your servant, that I may live and keep your word. Open my eyes that I see wondrous things from your law. I am a stranger in the earth, do not hide your commandments from me. My soul breaks with longing for your judgments at all times. You rebuke the proud, the cursed, who stray from your commandments. Remove from me reproach and contempt, that I have kept your testimonies. Princes also sit and speak against me, but your servant meditates on your statutes. Your testimonies also are my delight and my counselors. My soul clings to the dust, deliver me according to your word. I have declared my ways and you answered me. Teach me your statutes. I have declared my ways and you answered me. Teach me your statutes. Make me understand the way of your precepts. Shall I keep it to the end? Give me understanding, shall I keep your law? Indeed, I observe it with my whole heart. My soul melts from heaviness, strengthen me according to your word. Remove from me the wrathful anger and grant me your love graciously. I have chosen the way of truth, and your judgments I have laid before me. I cling to your testimonies, O Lord, do not put me to shame. I run the counsels of your commandments, for you enlarge my heart. Hey, teach me, O Lord, the way of your statutes. Shall I keep it to the end? Give me understanding, shall I keep your law? Indeed, I observe it with my whole heart. Make me walk in the path of your commandments, for I delight in it. Incline my heart to your testimonies and not to covetousness. Turn away my eyes from looking at worthless things. Establish your word to your servant who is devoted to fearing you. Turn away my reproach which I dread, for your judgments are good. Behold, I long for your precepts, revive me in your righteousness. Wow. Let your mercies come also to me, O Lord, and your salvation according to your word. So shall I have an answer for him who reproaches me. I trust in your word. So shall I keep your law, so shall I keep your law continually forever and ever. And I will walk at liberty. I will seek your precepts. I will walk at liberty. I will seek your precepts. You are good and do good. Teach me your statutes. You are good and do good. Teach me your statutes. Let your blessings come also to me, O Lord, and your salvation according to your word. So shall I have an answer for him who reproaches me. I trust in your word, and take not the word of truth that come out of my mouth. So shall I keep your law continually forever and ever. I will walk at liberty. I will seek your precepts. I will also keep your judgments, and my soul keeps your testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. Jaina, remember the word your servant, upon which is caused me to hope. This is my comfort in my affliction, but your word has given me life. The proud have in great direction, yet they do not turn aside from your law. I remember your judgments of old, O Lord, I have comforted myself. Indignation has taken into hold of me, because of the wicked who forsake your law. Your statutes have been my songs in the house of my pilgrimage. I remember your name in the night, O Lord, I will keep your law. This has become mine, because I will keep your statutes. You are my portion, O Lord. I have said that I will keep your word. I entreated your favor with my whole heart. Be merciful to me according to your word. I thought about my ways and turned my feet to your testimonies. I made haste and did not delay to keep your commandments. The cause of the wicked have brought me. At midnight I will rise to give thanks to you because of your righteous judgments. I am a companion of all who fear you and who keep your precepts. I am a companion of all who fear you and who keep your precepts. Behold, I long for your precepts. Revive me in your righteousness. You deal well with your servant, O Lord, according to your word. Teach me good judgment and knowledge, and I believe in your commandments. Before I was afflicted, I went astray. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I would keep your word. You were good and do good, teach me your statutes. The proud have forged a lie against me, but I will keep your precepts with my whole heart. Their heart is as fat as grease, but your lie is my delight. But your lie is my delight. Incline my heart to your testimonies and not to covetousness. Turn away my eyes from looking at worthless things. Establish your word to your servant who is devoted to fearing you. That have been afflicted, the laugh of your mouth is better to me than thousands of coins of gold and silver. Your hands have made me and fashioned me. Give me understanding that I believe in your commandments. Those who fear you will be glad when they see me, because I hope in your word. I know, Lord, that your judgments are right and that in faithfulness you have afflicted me. Let I pray your merciful kindness be for my comfort. Let your tender mercies also come to me. Let those who fear you will come to me, and those who know your testimonies. Let my heart be blameless regarding your statutes, that I may not be ashamed of. My soul faints for your salvation, but my soul faints for your salvation, but I hope in your word. I know, Lord, that your judgments are right, and that in faithfulness you have afflicted me. Let I pray your merciful kindness be for my comfort. My soul faints for your salvation, but I hope in your word. My eyes fail from searching your word and saying, when will you comfort me? For I have become like a wineskin in smoke, yet I do not forget your law. How many are the days of your servant, and when will you execute judgment on those who persecute me? The proud quits for me, which is not according to your law. All your commandments are faithful, they treated me wrongfully. Help me, they almost made an end of me on earth, but I do not forsake your precepts. Revive me, O Lord, according to your loving kindness, so that I may keep the testimony of your mouth. Lamed. Forever, O Lord, your word is settled in heaven. Your faithfulness endures to all generations. You establish the earth and it abides. They continue this day according to your ordinances, for all are your servants. Unless your land had been my delight, I would then have perished in my affliction. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you have given me life. The wicked wait for me to destroy me, but I will consider your testimonies. For I have seen the consummation of all perfection, but your word is commandingly broad. Mem. Oh, how I love your law, it is my meditation all the day. You through your commandments make me wiser than my enemies, for they are ever with me. I have more understanding than all my teachers, for your testimonies are my meditation. I understand more than the ancients, because I will keep your precepts. I am not strayed from your precepts. I am not departed from your judgments. You through yourself have taught me. How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. Through your precepts I get understanding, and I hate every false way. Noon. Your word is lamp to my feet and light to my path. I have sworn and confirmed that I will keep your righteous judgments. I am afflicted very much, O Lord, revive me according to your word. Accept, I pray, the free will offerings of my mouth, and teach me your judgment. Many are my persecutors and my enemies. I see the treacherous and am disgusted. My life is continually in my hand, yet I do not forget your. My life is continually in my hand, yet I do not forget your precepts. Through your commandments, through your precepts I get understanding, and I hate every false way. I hate the double-minded, but I love your law. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word. Depart from me, you are evildoers. I will keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to your word, and do not let ashamed of my hope. Hold me up, I shall be safe. I shall observe your statutes continually. You reject all those who stray from your precepts. You put away all the wicked of the earth like dross. So I love your testimonies. The earth, O Lord, is full of your mercies. Teach me your statutes. I have done justice and righteousness. Do not leave to me my oppressors. Be surety for your servant for good, and do not let the proud oppress me. My eyes fell from searching your word and saying, when will you comfort me? My eyes fail from seeking your salvation and your righteousness word. Deal with your servant according to your mercy and teach me your statutes. Deal with your servant according to your statutes. It is time for you to act, for they regarded your lands wide. Therefore, I love your commandments more than the gold is than the fine gold. Therefore, all your precepts concerning all things I consider to be right, and I hate every false way. Your testimonies are wonderful, so my soul keeps by them. The entrance of your word gives light, it gives understanding to the simple. I opened my mouth and panted, but I longed for your commandments. Look upon me, be merciful to me, as your custom is toward those who love your name. Direct my steps by your road, and do not let no iniquity have dominion over me. Redeem me from the oppression of man. Make your face shine upon your servant. Rivers of water run down from my eyes, because men do not keep your law. Sade, righteousness are you, O Lord, and upright are your judgments. Your testimonies which you have commanded me are righteousness and very faithful. My zeal has consumed me, because my enemies have forgotten your words. Your word is very pure, so your servant loves it. I am small and despised, but I do not turn from your testimonies. The wicked leg is made for me, but I will consider your testimonies. I cry out with my whole heart. Hear me, O Lord, according to your word. I cry out to you, save me according to your precepts. I rise before the dawning of the morning, and I cry for help. Hear my voice, O Lord, according to your justice, and revive me according to your loving kindness. That they draw near who follow after wickedness, they part from your law. You are near, O Lord, all your commandments, righteousness. Concerning of your testimonies, I have known of old, that you have founded them forever. Resh, consider my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your law. Plead my cause and redeem me. Revive me, O Lord, according to your word. Salvation is far from the wicked, because they do not seek your statutes. Great are your tender mercies, O Lord, revive me according to your judgments. Many are my persecutors and my enemies. I see the treacherous and am disgusted, but I do not stray from your precepts. Consider how I love your precepts. O Lord, revive me according to your loving kindness. The integrity of your word is truth, and every one of your righteous judgments endures forever. Sheen, princes persecute me without a cause, but my heart stands in awe of your word. I rejoice at your word as one who finds great treasure. I hate and abhor lying, but I love your law. 7 times a day I praise you because of your righteous judgments. O Lord, I hope for your great peace have those who love your name, and nothing causes them to stumble. Lord, I hope for your salvation, and I do your commandments. Make your face shine upon your servant. My soul keeps your testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. I will keep your precepts and your testimonies, for all my ways are before you. Tarvo. Let me cry come before you, O Lord. Save me according to your word. Let my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your word. My lips shall utter praise, for you teach me your statutes. My tongue shall speak of your word, for all your commandments are faithful. Let your hand become my help. Let my soul be alive, and I shall praise you. And let your judgments help me. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. You seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments.